Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Let's dive into Java robotics programming. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of programming a simple robot using Java. We will use the Java Robotics API to control a robot. This example assumes you are using a robot that can be controlled through a set of commands and has basic sensors for input. ### prerequisites. 1. Java Development Kit, JDK, ensure you have Java installed on your system. You can download it from Oracle's website, https://www.oracle.com/java/jdk11-downloads.html. 2. IDE, it is recommended to use an IDE like intellij IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans for Java development. 3. Robot hardware, for this tutorial, we'll assume you are working with a robot that has basic movement capabilities, forward, backward, turn, and some sensors, like distance sensors. 4. Java Robotics API, we will use a hypothetical Java Robotics API. In a real-world scenario, you would use a specific library for your robot, example lejos for Lego Mindstorms, or the ROS Java client for ros-based robots. ### setting up your project. 1. Create a new Java project in your IDE. 2. Add any necessary libraries for the robotics API you are using. ### basic robot control. Let's create a simple robot control program. We will define a robot class that will have methods to move the robot and read sensor data. ### main application. Now, let's create a main application to control our robot. ### running the program. 1. Compile the program in your IDE. 2. Run the main class. 3. You can enter commands like forward 10. Backward 5. Left. Right. Read. Exit. ### conclusion. In this simple tutorial, we demonstrated how to set up a basic Java application to control a robot using simple commands. This is just the starting point. Real-world robotics programming can involve more complex tasks such as using sensors for navigation, obstacle avoidance, and working with advanced robotics frameworks like ROS, Robot Operating System. ### next steps. 1. Explore robotics libraries. Look into libraries like lejos for Lego Mindstorms or ROS for more complex robotics applications. 2. Add sensor integration, implement real sensor data handling instead of mock data. 3. Implement more complex behaviors, add functionalities like obstacle detection and path planning. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy coding!